Kia ora tātou I tēnei rātapu, and this is Maramatanga In A Minute, Day 12. The arrival of the Wairua tapu on the 8th day of November 1918 was an event that was already predetermined by Ihoa. So to help us support this fact, we go back into the book of Matthew in chapter 24. And in that chapter you will see the disciples questioning the Tama around signs of the end time. And the Tama gives this as a reply. There is a day that will come where you will see nation rise against nation and kingdom rise against kingdom. From 1914 to 1918, the world is experiencing exactly that. Nation rising against nation, kingdom rising against kingdom. And so, at the end of the First World War, the Wairua tapu finds us tātou te iwi Māori. And then Ratana begins his mission as a poropiti Māori for us tātou te iwi Māori, and also as a prophet for the whole world. Coming to the end, when he passes away, 18th of September 1939, we then see the beginning of the Second World War. So, this Maramatanga, the mahi of tau Pōtiku Urumi Ratana, in his two missions, Ture Wairua, Ture Tangata, is actually encapsulated between these two world wars, from 1918 to 1939, where the First World War ends and the Second World War begins. This is the space of the mahi of tau Pōtiku Urumi Ratana as a poropiti for Ihoa. Kia ora tātou.